Hi, my name is Steve Gay, Realtor with Caldwell Banker Premier Properties. And as you've probably guessed, I love writing and playing music. But as much as I love music, I also love St. Augustine, Florida. So for the next minute or two, I want you to see why I have fallen in love with this beautiful antique town, founded in 1565 by the Spanish Admiral Pedro Menendez Aviles. In September 2001, my wife Alice and I moved here from Nashville, Tennessee, where I owned my own business. Originally from Long Island, New York, I've spent years buying and designing men's fashion footwear. After leaving the footwear industry in the mid-90s, I became involved in helping people with purchasing and refinancing their homes through my company Gator Mortgage, which I continue to have to this very day. A few years back, I also became a licensed real estate agent with Caldwell Banker Premier Properties, right here in St. Augustine Beach. I live 2 minutes from the office, and I'm always here to help you. I enjoy walking on the beach with my toy poodle Teddy, and as you've learned, I love to play music and golf as well. But the bottom line, as both a realtor and a mortgage loan officer, I have discovered what a great fit this is for both myself and my customers. Yes, from homes to loans, I've got you covered.